Managing time effectively is a transformative practice that can significantly impact one's personal and professional life. In my journey to enhance productivity and overall well-being, I've embraced 8 key tips that have become game changers. These strategies include setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, creating detailed to-do lists, implementing time blocking, learning to say no, minimizing distractions, taking regular breaks, and recognizing the power of delegation. Number 8, set clear goals. Setting clear short-term and long-term goals is akin to charting a roadmap for your personal and professional journey. Short-term goals are the stepping stones that propel you forward in the immediate future, often within weeks or months. They serve as tangible, achievable targets that contribute to your overarching aspirations. Long-term goals, on the other hand, cast a vision for the more distant future, typically spanning years or even a lifetime. These goals provide a sense of direction, purpose, and ambition, guiding your actions and decisions. By having a crystal clear understanding of where you want to be in both the short and long term, you create a framework that helps you discern the tasks and activities that truly matter. This clarity enables you to prioritize effectively, channeling your efforts toward endeavors that align with your objectives and propel you closer to realizing your broader aspirations. Ultimately, well-defined goals serve as a compass, steering you through the complexities of life and work with intention and focus. Number 7, prioritize tasks. The Eisenhower Matrix is a powerful tool for task prioritization, helping individuals navigate their to-do lists with a strategic approach. By categorizing tasks into 4 quadrants, it emphasizes the crucial distinction between urgency and importance. Urgent and important tasks found in the first quadrant demand immediate attention and are critical to achieving your goals. Important but not urgent tasks, second quadrant, are significant for long-term success, but don't require immediate action, allowing for strategic planning and preparation. Urgent but not important tasks, third quadrant, may seem pressing but contribute little to your overall objectives, often signaling the need to delegate or minimize such activities. Tasks in the fourth quadrant, neither urgent nor important, can be considered for elimination or addressed when time permits. This method ensures that time and energy are directed toward tasks that align with both short-term needs and long-term goals, fostering a balanced and effective approach to time management. Number 6, create a to-do list. Breaking down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks is a key strategy in effective time management. By dissecting overarching objectives into bite-sized components, individuals can create a roadmap that is less overwhelming and more actionable. This process involves creating to-do lists for specific timeframes, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, to provide a clear and structured plan. These lists serve as a tangible guide outlining the steps needed to make progress. Regular updates to the to-do list allow for flexibility and adaptation as priorities shift or new tasks arise. This approach not only enhances organization but also fosters focus by providing a clear sense of direction. As each small task is completed, a sense of accomplishment is achieved, motivating continued progress toward the larger goal. In essence, breaking down goals into manageable tasks and maintaining an up-to-date to-do list is a practical and empowering strategy for staying organized, focused, and ultimately achieving success. Number 5, time blocking. Time blocking is a strategic approach to time management that involves allocating dedicated blocks of time to specific activities or tasks. By designating focus periods for individual responsibilities, individuals can mitigate the temptation of multitasking, a practice that can often lead to decreased productivity and increased stress. This method allows for the undivided attention to be directed toward one task at a time, fostering a deeper level of concentration and engagement. By concentrating efforts on a singular activity within a defined time frame, individuals can achieve a state of flow and maximize efficiency. The structured nature of time blocking not only aids in completing tasks more effectively, but also provides a clear overview of how time is allocated throughout the day. This intentional scheduling promotes a disciplined and organized approach to work, ultimately contributing to heightened productivity and a more balanced workflow. Number 4, learn to say no. Learning to say no is a fundamental aspect of effective time management and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Being selective about the tasks and commitments you accept involves a thoughtful evaluation of your priorities and capacity. By saying no to non-essential activities, you create space to focus on what truly matters and aligns with your goals. This discerning approach prevents overcommitting, which can lead to stress, burnout, and a decline in the quality of your work. Saying no is not a rejection of opportunities, but rather a strategic decision to safeguard your time and energy for endeavors that contribute meaningfully to your personal and professional growth. It allows you to set boundaries, manage expectations, and maintain a sense of control over your commitments, ultimately fostering a more balanced and fulfilling life. Number 3, limit distractions. Identifying and minimizing distractions in your environment is a pivotal step in enhancing focus and productivity. By consciously mitigating potential disruptions, you create a conducive atmosphere for deep work and efficient task completion. Turning off unnecessary notifications on your devices helps to reclaim control over your attention, allowing you to concentrate on the task at hand without constant interruptions. Designating specific times for checking emails and social media prevents these activities from becoming continuous, ensuring that they don't impede your workflow. Crafting a conducive workspace, free from clutter and tailored to your preferences, further minimizes external disruptions. This intentional approach to your environment not only sharpens your concentration, but also promotes a more mindful and purposeful work experience, ultimately contributing to increased efficiency and a sense of accomplishment in your daily endeavors. Number 2, take breaks. Recognizing the significance of breaks is integral to sustaining focus and preventing burnout in our demanding daily routines. Incorporating short breaks into your schedule is not just a luxury, but a strategic necessity for maintaining mental and physical well-being. These pauses offer a chance to recharge and reset, allowing your mind to recover from intense periods of concentration. Whether it's a brief walk, a moment of meditation, or simply taking a few moments to relax, these interludes provide a valuable opportunity to alleviate stress and rejuvenate your energy. Breaks foster a healthier work environment by preventing mental fatigue, improving overall productivity, and contributing to long-term resilience. Embracing the concept that breaks are not a deviation from work, but a crucial part of sustaining optimal performance can lead to a more balanced and sustainable approach to daily tasks, ultimately enhancing both productivity and well-being. Number 1, delegate tasks. Recognizing tasks that can be delegated is a strategic practice that not only lightens an individual's workload, but also promotes collaboration and efficiency within a team or organization. Delegating involves a keen understanding of each team member's strengths and expertise, allowing tasks to be assigned to individuals with the most relevant skills. By redistributing responsibilities, not only is the burden on one person alleviated, but it also enables others to contribute meaningfully to the overall goal. This collaborative approach fosters a sense of shared responsibility and encourages the exchange of ideas and perspectives. Additionally, as tasks are delegated to those best suited to handle them, efficiency is heightened and the quality of work often improves. Embracing delegation as a tool for resource optimization not only ensures that each team member is working on tasks aligned with their strengths, but also contributes to a more dynamic and productive work environment. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon.